If you've ever wondered how much itch.io takes from sales, the short answer is that the default platform cut is 10%. But the really useful part is that itch.io gives creators a lot of flexibility, because you can change that cut anywhere from 0% all the way up to 100%. That means you decide how much goes to itch.io, depending on what makes sense for your project. In this video, I'll break that down in a simple way so you can quickly understand what you actually keep from a sale on itch.io. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and creator tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making guides like this. So let's look at the default setup first. By default, itch.io takes 10% from your sales. That means if you sell a game, asset, ebook, or any other digital product for $10, itch.io would take $1, and you would receive $9. That's the basic math, and it applies unless you manually change the revenue share. Now here's where itch.io stands out. You are not locked into that 10% rate. Instead, you can adjust it yourself. If you want, you can set the platform cut lower, even all the way to 0%, which means itch.io would take nothing from that sale. On the other hand, you can also choose to give more than the default if you want to support the platform more heavily. So the system is very creator-friendly and fully customizable. This is especially useful if you're just starting out and want to maximize your earnings, or if you're running a special promotion and want to keep as much of each sale as possible. It also gives you control if you want to factor platform fees into your pricing strategy. For example, if you know the default cut is 10%, you can plan your price around that so your net earnings make sense. Let's go back to the example. If your game is priced at $10 and itch.io's cut is 10%, you keep $9. If you change the cut to 0%, you would keep the full $10. And if you changed it to a higher percentage, then the amount you receive would go down accordingly. So the percentage you choose directly affects your final payout. The key takeaway is simple. Itch.io starts at 10%, but you control the percentage. That makes it different from platforms where the fee structure is more fixed. Here, you can decide what works for your business model and your audience. If you want a fast summary, just remember this. Default itch.io cut is 10%, but it can be customized from 0% to 100%. A $10 sale at the default rate gives you $9. That's the basic formula to keep in mind. If this helped clear things up, please like the video and subscribe for more creator-focused tutorials. And if you want more simple breakdowns like this one, check out the next video on the screen now.